Hello everyone, myself Vaibhavi. Welcome to my channel Beginner to Developer. In the previous videos, we have seen different decision making statements that are if else, if ladder, as well as nested if, and also how to use ternary operators as a if condition. The link is given in the description below. Please watch it before this video. So today's session is about another type of decision making statement, that is switch statement. How to use these switch statements in C as well as C++ program. Let's see an example here. So this is a C program. Stdio.h is a library, and I have initialized the variable x with the value 7. Now this is a switch. This is called as a switch expression. That means this is a syntax for switch case. So switch is a keyword, and expression is a expression that we are passing from this particular bracket. Then we are checking every values with this expression 1. That means whether this expression value is equal to this particular case, then whether this if it is not, then it will go to next statement and it will check whether this value is equal to expression 2 or not. Then if it is satisfied, then it is going to execute these statements. Otherwise, if none of these conditions, that means if expression 1 also not satisfied, and also expression 2 is also not satisfied, means then it is going to print this default, that is default statements in this case. This is about switch syntax. Let's see a programming example here. So x is a variable which is initialized with the value 7. Now switch is a keyword and x is an expression which is of type int. Therefore, in this case, you have to give the type of this expression as well as expression as int only, because you are comparing the values which is of same data type. Therefore, you have to see the data type of this particular expression, and also it should be same as this particular expression. Now the value, okay, the value of x is 7. Here it will check whether the value of this expression, that is 1, is equal to 7. No, in this case it is not satisfied. Therefore, this message will not be imprinted on the screen. Then case 2. In this case, this is this here the value is 2 and the x value is 7 here. 2 is not equal to 7. So even these statements will not be executed in this case. Then case 3. In this, the value is 3. Here the value is 7. It is not equal to 3. Therefore, this message will not be printed on the screen. So none of these conditions are satisfied. Therefore, this must be the default. This default case must be printed on the screen. That means this printf statement will be printed on the screen. Let's see the output. So this is output, that is choice other than 1, 2, 3. So this print message is printed on the output screen. Let's see one more output. I will give some value as 3 now. So now the yes, the output is choice is 3. That means this message is printed on the output screen. Whenever the conditions are satisfied, it will come out of that loop. I will show you one more output to demonstrate how does it will come out of the loop. Now case 1 will be printed on the screen, that is choice is 1. See here, x value is 1 now, switch 1, so switch the x value is 1, case 1 is satisfied. Therefore, this print message will be printed on the screen, and then we have used this break statement. That means if any one of the condition, when it satisfies the condition, it will execute those statements, and just it will come out of this particular block and then execute other statements. That means at one time it can execute only one type of, only one statement, not other than that. So it will not go for the second statement then, and also it will not go for case 3, and also it will not go for default. It will only check these value and then break. That means it will come out of this particular block. If you have given the condition as 2, expression as 2 means, then the case 1 will not be satisfied, and it will go for the case 2. Then it will print this particular message on the screen. Then without going to the third expression, it will just come out of the loop, come out of this block using this break statement. This is about switch statements in C as well as C++ language. Let's see how to use these switch statements in Python, C# and Java language in next videos. Thank you all.